Hi guys, today I will be showing you how the mechanism, which is currently this piece, how it works and how you can fit it in yourself. So first of all, start off with, we have this rubber ring here. This will end up going here. It's the first step you want to do. You want to put yourself underneath it. There we go. And you've got these two pieces. So you've got golden ring and you've got golden nut. Golden ring will go in first, and then you got yourself the nut, just like that. So I've tightened it enough. You can do it with a set of pliers, so if you want to, not much than that, you can do it that way. So it does move, yeah, but it's nicely on. Quick heads up, you don't have to worry about it moving too much. It's not going to make a difference. And we had some people saying that it doesn't have a cover for the battery. It's completely fine if it does not. It won't destroy itself. It's fine. It's not a problem. So taking it out, it's the same thing. Give yourself the pliers if you have tightened it, otherwise with your hand. Give it a quick spin. This comes out, lift it up. This bolt, remove it from the bottom. And you've got yourself the removal and installation of a mechanism for a clock. Thank you guys.